Hi there, what I'm going to be going through today is the trades that I took, the live trades that I took on the 18th of March 2009. What I did was I looked at the trade setups from the Frankfurt Open through to the London Open at 8 a.m. GMT. Frankfurt opens at an hour earlier at 7 a.m. GMT. Here's just a summary of the trades. I went short on the pound yen with a profit of 32 pips, and then I went short on the GBP USD, the profit of an average profit of 33 pips, because I took two positions and I got out at various levels on the pound against the US dollar. And then my overall gain for the day, I made a 4% gain on my capital, the total of 65 pips. So my goal for each day is to make between 1 and 3% on my capital, and I've been doing that quite consistently recently. As you can see here, on the 11th of March I made 2%, then on the 12th I made 9%, then on the 13th I made 7%, on the 16th I made 11% gain. That was a very good day's trading with 152 pips. 17th there was no trades taken, and then on the 18th, just today, I made 3.9% with 65 pips. Currently, the overall daily trading accuracy from when we started looking at these scalp trades, together with my day trades, which was a couple of months back, sitting at 74%, and the daily pip accuracy is sitting at 73%. These trades that I'm talking about, this accuracy goes back to last year, I think it's October. You can check all these trades on my site. Okay, I'm just going to go through now looking at the dashboard. This was a snapshot of the dashboard just prior to the London Open. So clearly what we look for is momentum, and where the weakest and the strongest currencies are, and then we trade in that direction. So what you could see here is that the pound was the weakest currency, and the strongest currency was the US dollar. Another currency that was also fluctuating but was definitely weaker than the US dollar was the pound yen. So obviously these levels fluctuated, but if you'd been watching it, you would get a very good idea of what was going on as far as strengths and weaknesses were concerned. So bearing that in mind, we then want to have a look at the actual trade. We'll step through the trade, and here is the pound US dollar. This red line over here is the open of the Frankfurt exchange, the stock exchange. So we'll step through this trade, and I'll show you my setups and the way I go through my methodology for each day's trading. So first of all, I look at the lines of support and resistance. As you can see, there is a clear line of resistance, and there's a clear line of support. Okay, then what people often ask is also, once you're in the trade and it's broken that a area of support or resistance, where do you get out? So one of the things is to look at your daily average trading ranges, and you can get that with this indicator that I supply free of charge, along with all these other indicators here. And what it's telling us is that the average daily range is around 230, 240 pips. Okay, so here's where the pound US dollar was channeling. So what I did was I looked at the average here, and then I added on half the daily range as a safe area to project where you could possibly get out. So half of 240 is 120, which is around there, 39.27. Let's bring it down a bit. Okay, that's around there. And then obviously if it broke up, you do the same exercise that way. Now I just want to have a look at the other areas of support. There's another area of support, so that would be your first area. If it broke through here, that would be the next area you head for. Then here, and then if you're looking at the full range of 240 pips, and if you took the half there and you added 240, 1.3807. Okay, so around there. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to step through this trade and see how the trade developed. Bearing in mind that we had the Forex dashboard up and running, and we were looking at where the strengths and weaknesses were. So I could see clearly before this trade occurred that the pound was the weak currency and the US dollar was the stronger currency. So I was looking for the break of this support over here. Alright, let's just run this. Okay, and you can see it's broken through there. I got in around here somewhere. Okay, and there you can see it's hit that first line of support that I put in. Okay, and I think I got out over here somewhere. So I was just scalping. I was looking to make, you know, a quick, say 30-40 pips. But you could have held it longer depending on your trading style. You can see it went down. It then hit that second area, the second area of support there. Well, the projected area that I put in. And then it broke down a bit lower. Let's just see. This was the most optimistic. So we were about 35 pips away from there. You know, that gives you an idea of how, you know, my methodology and what I go through when setting up the dashboard and looking for, you know, possible trades. Right, so those were the trades. I hope you learned something from this this summary of my live trades. And if you want to join us live, all you got to do is go to www.forexwealth.blogspot.com, and then you scroll down to this link over here. It says live daily trading conference room. It's each day at 8 AM GMT. It's for about 2 to 3 hours, and then you just click on this link over here, and it'll take you through to the trading room, and you can join us each day. Thank you very much. I hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.